Who's best friend of Jerry? Candy? Why you got Candy there? Oh, wow. Nice bag. Oh. Oh, nice. Glasses. Is that Air Force glasses? Oh, wow. Hi, Tira. Hey, Chai. Hi, Chai Chai. Uh-oh. You just throw stuff? Okay, bye. Oh, wow. Poor, she cannot come back anymore. That's all her...
it's here tomorrow.
Oh, that's all her backpack?
Yeah, true. Wait a minute.
What is that? Wow. Where you going?
Bye-bye.
I like your pants.
Bye.
Oh, that's you. Now you're going to Elsa's house. After you go to Barbie, now you go to Elsa.
Yeah, you will have home. You will have home. I come back tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what happened? Hi, Des. Ha? Marami pa ba tayong kahoy, mother? Isang oras pa ako dito kay Bibi. Baka pangit sa kanya, everyday siya. Yeah, wag na muna. Oo. Don't go sauna first, okay?
Why?
It's too hot and the smoke. You're still a baby, anak.
I'm not a baby. I'm still a kindergarten.
I know. No, do your hot dog because you haven't done your hot dog.
Papa?
Yeah, later when I go sauna. You wait for me.
To eat in the middle?
Only once a week though.
Oh, Dana, how do you do?
Lumaricar,
You do poo, Mom.
yesterday you said no.
Actually, yes.
Say hi Maricar, anak.
Mommy, you do actually yes. One night, I poo.
Okay,
You do poo.
okay, I'll do that.
Hey,
Hi Jade. I heard the news. Oh, sorry. You survived? Oo, dalaga na. No, that's fine because it takes you, you're preparing 20 and now 5 days. It's okay, that's normal. Is it a lot? Is it a lot? It's not that much? Okay, that's good. Oo, kindergarten siya. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, Chai Chai. See Chai Chai. Chai Chai. Oh, I need to throw in the garbage. Can you throw that in the... Oh, man. Throw it in the garbage. Come back. Please. Thank you. Whew. Pagoda. Garbage, may tinatapon siya. Pagoda sa trabaho, guys. Where you going, anak?